Hello and welcome. Now, probably the most popular way of using Fantastico is to install a WordPress website. And to do that, you're going to go into the blog section. You're going to scroll all the way down to the end where it says WordPress, and you're going to click WordPress. When you get there, Fantastico will give you some idea on whether or not your server has the capacity to handle WordPress, and if so, you're going to click Install. Once you get to this page, you'll be able to use either the domain or subdomains that you have already set up inside of cPanel. What you'll want to do is you'll want to determine what directory you want WordPress to be installed in. Now you'll notice that there is a directory written here. You can leave this blank if you want it to be installed in the root directory of your website. You're going to give yourself a username, password, and email. And then you're going to put in all the other pertinent information that is going to be blog specific. So for example, you're going to write in a title of your site. Fantastico will give you the opportunity to have two-factor authentication installed. You can do that with Rublon, as well as a plugin manager, which is WP Fabs. If you decide to use either one of those, you can then click Submit. You'll then come to step 1. If everything checks out, you can then click Proceed. Once you do that, then Fantastico will start the install process, and you'll be able to watch it on screen and note its progress. And once step 2 completes, your WordPress website will then be ready. You'll have access to the login information as well as your username and password. Now, Fantastico does give a standard message that they offer auto installation and auto configuration, but they don't offer any kind of support. Now we can come back to the WordPress overview page, and if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see that there is a link there for installed scripts. If you decide that you'd like to uninstall the script, you can do that, and all you'll need to do is to click this uninstall button. You'll get a warning message from WordPress. You'll click yes. Then you'll notice that you have a message from Fantastico that says that Fantastico is no longer managing installations of the script, so you have now uninstalled WordPress. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.